Hey guys, happy new year. We are gonna kick off the new year by doing easy, beginner, not good at hair type of hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get started. This first hairstyle, we are just gonna put our hair half up. So you can leave hair out in the front. You can do this however you want. I'm just putting it all back like this. And I'm just gonna tie it. Okay, easy peasy. You're gonna create an opening like this. So you can see my opening right above my ponytail. I'm just gonna flip my ends up through that opening. Like that. And then just tighten it. Now I'm just gonna grab a section on my right side and I'm gonna put my fingers through that topsy tail on the opposite side and I'm just gonna pull it through and just put it there to hold it. Then I'm gonna put my fingers through again. I'm gonna grab a section on the opposite side and I'm just gonna pull it through. And then we are just going to tighten it all. I'm gonna put another bobby pin just right where that hair was to secure it, tighten it, pinch and pull if you want. So just gonna pull the hair out a little bit, boom. All right, for this next hairstyle, I'm just gonna pull some hair out in front. This is going to be a low bun. This is like my staple low bun. I'm just going to gather our hair. We're just gonna pull it through once, twice, however many times we need to. I always recommend a stretchy hair tie so it doesn't hurt your head. Then on the last time, just pull your hair tie over a little bit to form a small bun. You want it small, you do not want it big and droopy. Grab a bobby pin. I hope you're using Metagrip bobby pins. And you want the ridges to be facing down when you insert it because that will hook onto your hair and it will not fall out. We're going to take our ends, split them into two, twist them around our finger, bring them up, cross them, twist them, bring them down, cross them, twist them, and then just tuck them up under the bun. And you'll stick a bobby pin in. I just dropped mine. And then you'll just bobby pin those ends. Just shove it up in there. Every time I do this bun, it looks good. It looks amazing. This is like the easiest bun updo to recreate. So I hope you'll find it easy too. Next one is going to be a ponytail hairstyle. So we are just gonna take a section, half up section, and we're just gonna tie it into a ponytail. We want our top section to be a little bit bigger than our bottom section. Okay, so here we go. And I'm just going to put it in a hair tie. And then I'm just gonna take it, clip it out of the way. With our bottom section, we're just gonna make sure it's really close to our ponytail right there. So we're gonna bring it up high, pull our hair through like we're doing a ponytail. On the last time, pull our hair tie over a little bit to form a bun like this. So just hold on to your bun, take your clip out of your ponytail, and I'm just gonna kind of turn my bun like this, put my fingers through, and I'm just gonna pull my ponytail through that bun. All right, and I'm just going to tighten that bun. Let my ponytail down, tighten my ponytail. And then I just kind of like to stretch that out a little bit, like press it flat up against my head. I stick a bobby pin right into it. Another bobby pin and just stick it right into that. And that is it. Next one we are gonna do, this is called a front braid. So we're gonna make a kind of deep part like this. We're gonna go a couple inches back and just take our part all the way down. Just clip our hair out of the way. We're gonna start up top. We're gonna split our hair into two. We're twisting, not braiding. So I'm just taking that front section, twisting it over the back. Now the only thing I'm doing that's different is I'm just adding in a small section of hair to the bottom, to that front here, twisting it over the back. Adding in a small section to that front, twisting it over the back. Adding in a small section to that front, twisting it over the back. Adding in a small section to the front, twisting it over the back. Adding in a small section to the front, twisting it over the back. And we just do that until we run out of hair. Then I'm just gonna do a couple more twists. Bring it down right here and just stick a bobby pin up and right into that twist so you don't even see the bobby pin. And then I'm just gonna kind of pinch and pull it a little bit, not too much. And then that is it. You could do it to the other side if you wanted to. I'm gonna keep it simple for this video, but look how adorable it looks. Are you kidding me? All right, and then for our last hairstyle, so when I do top knots, I like to leave some hair out in front. I just like the way it looks. I'm gonna bring the rest of the hair back. And this is like the easiest messy bun ever. So I've got my hair gathered and I'm just gonna do a ponytail. All right, so all you're gonna do is split your ponytail into two. You're gonna twist them around your fingers. Twist each section around your fingers. And you're just gonna take one section and you're gonna cross it under the other and just wrap it around itself. So you can see it kind of just formed its own little bun there. With the other section, you're gonna go the opposite way, twist it, and you're just gonna wrap it around itself. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take a hair elastic. I'm just gonna hold it down and I'm just gonna take that hair elastic over everything. Like that. And just kind of pinch and pull for fullness. And that is literally it. Wait till you see how cute it looks from the back. Just from the back. And then I'm just gonna kind of stretch it out a little. Make it a little bit even on that side. All right, and then for our last one, we are just gonna do a half up section. We're just gonna tie our hair back into a half up ponytail. Create an opening right above our ponytail. We're gonna do a topsy tail where we flip the ends through. And then just tighten it. We're just gonna take that ponytail and you're just gonna bring it up like that and tighten it. Spread that apart and that is literally it. So for this one, grab a scrunchie, hair tie, whatever you have. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my hair through once. Then I'm gonna flip my ends up towards the top of my head, pulling my scrunchie over like this, twisting my fingers through my scrunchie. Then we're just gonna pull our ends over that bun and just kind of let them hang out like that. Okay, squeeze the base and just pull your scrunchie over. And then you're just gonna kind of spread that bun like that. And that is it. So that is it. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's get to 400K. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.